एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय क्लोथिंग ट्रेजर। दिस इज ज्योति मिश्रा एंड आज मैं आप लोग के लिए लेके आई हूँ पोचमपल्ली कॉटन साड़ीज। ये जो साड़ीज है, दीज आर सिंगल इक्कत साड़ीज फ्रॉम तेलंगाना। वहां पे पोचमपल्ली विलेज में दे वीव दिस ब्यूटिफुल इक्कत साड़ीज। द टेक्सचर ऑफ द साड़ी इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट देन उड़ीसा इक्कत। अगर आपने उड़ीसा इक्कत सिंगल इक्कत स्पेशली अगर आपने खंडुआ यूज किया हुआ है, खंडुआ कॉटन, देन this saree's texture is slightly different. It has mercerized cotton, and that is why it I feel to touch this is little finer, I can say. Okay, and very comfortable, very comfortable, and the patterns that I have are very appropriate for, you can see that it looks very rich. ये आप casual wear में भी पहन सकते हैं. You can wear it for any occasion also, और आप office में भी पहन सकते हैं depending on the color and your comfort of course. And ये सारी जो sarees हैं, these are all priced in the same range of 4500. They don't have a blouse piece included, but I have matched them with a separate blouse piece. So this blouse piece will come with the sari. Okay, so the price is inclusive of the blouse piece and the sari. So yes, the first sari, the base is, you can see, it's brown and black, a mix of both. It's a very rich color, and the pattern is very intricate as well. बहुत ही सुंदर पैटर्न है, एकदम भरा हुआ काम है. And the border is red, तो थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी आ रहा है. And it is looking a bit dressy as well. बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. This is the palla. Okay, very smart piece as well. I personally like these for how stylish they look, even if the weave is एज ओल्ड. मतलब इक्कत बहुत टाइम से है उड़ीसा का. मैंने बहुत बार दिखाया आपको खंडुआ भी, संबलपुरी आई हैवंट शोन यू मच, लेकिन मैं बहुत जल्दी लेके आऊंगी वो भी. एंड देन पोचमपल्ली भी मैं पहली बार दिखा रही हूँ. I have sold many in silks, pure silks and cottons, but मैं पहली बार live लेके आई हूँ in a video form. So yes, if you like, then go to the website myclothingtreasure.com. वहाँ पे आप ये book कर सकते हैं साड़ी. Okay, this will be the blouse piece that will come with the sari. Okay, 1 meter blouse piece. So yes, let's move on to the next. And a very beautiful combination, green and red. The green is a deep one, but it is not bright. It's a bottle green भी नहीं बोलूँगी मैं exactly. थोड़ा सा इसमें एक subtleness है, but it's a very pretty one. You can see the combination, amazing. And इस पे you get to see this bird and elephant motif. Or this is the palla. Again, sari doesn't have a matching blouse piece, but I have matched it with this 1 meter Pochampalli ikat blouse piece. Okay, together the price is 4500. You can buy from the website. And this one is my kind of a sari. Very pretty, very sophisticated, and very lovely pattern as well as the combination. The body is gray and white, you can see, and the border has a pop of blue. Very pretty combination, and work wear के लिए तो बहुत ही apt है ये. Otherwise भी, if you like subtle sarees, subtle colors, and that classy kind of overall presentation, then definitely you can go for this. बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. This is the palla, and I have matched it with this blouse piece. बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. All these sarees are very comfortable. The cotton is amazing, and these can be hand washed carefully at home. आप बहुत आराम से इसको घर पे धो सकते हैं. They don't need starch, but yes, they will need press. And apart from that, if you like Pochampalli, ikat or cotton sarees, just go for these blindly. They are must have sarees. Okay, so yes, let's move on to the next color. Wow, What a beautiful combination. I actually, personally, I prefer subtle shades mostly. I wear also, you know, I kind of tend towards pastel shades, but all these Pochampalli saris, like this one is such a pretty one. इसका red जो है, that is so beautiful. एकदम vibrant, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आंखों को चुभे, but bright enough to brighten up your appearance. Very pretty one, and इसका pattern भी you can see बहुत सुंदर pattern है. And the border also has some इक्कत patterns. I'm really liking this color. Yes, and this is the palla. बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा. And because of the fabric, cotton fabric, the colors are not very in your face. तो आप इसको बहुत आराम से even office में भी पहन सकते हैं, even if it is red. So yes, I really like these kind of sarees, you know, जिनको कि हम बार बार use कर पाएं. I prefer my sarees to get used more than, you know, मैं prefer करती हूँ इसलिए cottons ही mostly. So yes, if you are like me, then go for these sarees blindly. And this is the blouse piece that I have matched it with. Okay, together the price is 4500. A very pretty one, mustard and green, which can never go wrong on Indian complexion. ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमारे जो mostly Indians have slight yellow tone, and जिसकी वजह से the mustard और yellow sarees बहुत अच्छी लगती है हमारे complexion पे. So yes, this is one such piece. इसका जो pattern है, that is also very beautifully done. पूरी साड़ी पे काम है, but very subtly done. What I like about these sarees are that ये बहुत pattern heavy है, still they look very, you know, soothing to the eyes. ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बहुत कुछ हुआ है साड़ी में. It's very, the color combinations are very pretty. And this is the border, you can see. And this is the palla. Again, बहुत ही सुंदर piece है. So difficult to just pick one. So yes, this is the blouse piece that I have matched it with. Okay, all these blouse pieces are 1 meter width. So yes, let's move on to the next. Wow, another gray with black. And how classy this sari looks. Really love the pattern, the colors, you know. I like how the small mustard filling is there in the border. The sari is very classy. अगर आपको, you know, you are in a position where you don't want to wear much color, like बहुत high administrative post पे हैं, and you want your work to do the talking rather than your sari, मतलब eye catchy ना हो, but it should give you that, you know, classy vibe, then go for this. It's an amazing piece. I'm really liking how it looks, and you can see that ये अगर आप चाहें तो maroon blouse के साथ भी pair करेंगे तो how pretty it will look. Black के साथ of course it will look nice, and I have matched it with a great blouse piece. ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Black and grey का combination है. It will look amazing. But अगर आपको थोड़ा सा, you know, you want to play around, you can definitely pair it with a deeper color, maroon, green. You can go for any other color as well. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, this is the palla, and I'll just show you the pattern again. Diamonds बने हुए हैं criss cross lines में. Very nice sari. Again, with the blouse piece, the price is 4500. Now let's move on to the last, the lovely piece. ये जो combination है, it's a tricky combination. Tricky in the sense, on first look you will feel white and red का combination है. You have white and उस पे red का pattern बना हुआ है, which is actually ulta. The base is, you can see, yes, the base is a mix of white and red thread, blush pink, I can say. Okay, it's appearing a bit darker than what it really is. So bear that in mind, or just go to the website and check the pictures. So yes, the base is this blush pink, and on that you get to see these white patterns. बहुत ही सुंदर है. अगेन बहुत ही सुंदर है. रेड का कॉम्बिनेशन व्हाइट जहां पे भी होता है उसके साथ बहुत अच्छे से खिल के आता है. सो यस, दिस इज द palla. There is heart bota, बहुत ही स्मार्ट पीस भी है ये. यू कैन वेयर इट फॉर कैजुअल आउटिंग्स एज वेल. बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. एंड this is the blouse piece that I have matched it with. Okay, so this is the last saree. Price is again 4500. All these sarees are listed on myclothingtreasure.com. आप पोचमपल्ली कट सेक्शन में जाके इसको बुक कर सकते हैं. एंड शिपिंग इज फ्री फॉर प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स. अगर आप कैश ऑन डिलीवरी ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं देन दैट विल कॉस्ट यू 100 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा पर साड़ी. ओके, and with that I'll close this video. I have coming up Odisha silks, Odisha cottons. I have some new fabric coming up from Bhagalpur, and then I have Mangalgiri cottons, and I have Malmal cottons. I have lots to show you. Stay tuned. Follow this channel to get more updates, and see you soon. Bye.